Okay, we're here with baby Shea, and we got her some fun interactive doggy puzzle toys. We're going to start with the tornado, and this is a toy. It has different chambers and it turns. She's going to have to remove the lid or just move the lid around to get to the different doggy treats. And these are kibble. She's very food motivated, so that is a huge plus. Sit. She's only 11 weeks old, so this is also very impressive. There you go. So what she's going to do is just move it around to open up the different chambers. Altogether, there are 12 different chambers for her to get to and reward herself with a treat. This is a puzzle that just came in the mail today, so she's really new to this. But this is some serious mental exercise. So instead of putting the food bowl down, this is an awesome way to keep them busy. And it slows down the eating process too, especially for dogs that are prone to bloat. So they can't just wolf their food down in 2.5 seconds. I still see some. Come on, you're doing a good job. You're doing a good job. There you go. Good girl. You got another one. There's still some more. Come on, there's still some more. Alexander. Did you get them all? Did you get them all? Yeah, I can't video this and you